UPS has brought the 747-8 to EAA AirVenture Oshkosh. We've opened the 747-8 main cargo bay for everybody to come to explore it.
It's so beautiful.
This is the largest plane in our fleet. We want to make sure we show everybody how we move their packages all around the world.
It was very cool, very neat.
We have container displays. We have displays all about the aircraft.
It's amazing.
We also have employees here talking about the UPS Flight Path Intern Program. We have pilots talking to all the people that are walking through. We have an engine display with the cowls open so you can see the insides. Mechanics on site to answer any questions. We also have Club 502 with their RV-12 plane inside this aircraft. And Boeing is on site because we're celebrating the 50th anniversary of the 747 with them. It's just a big birthday party on site. It's a full UPS experience with our 747.
I think it's awesome.
And we can't make this 3 days without the volunteers that we have from UPS helping us put on this great event. This is a great opportunity for us to come here, show our customers how we do it, and showing off an aircraft like this represents our commitment to connecting global communities.